Hello, it's Mark Schaefer from Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm here at 200 East 95th Street, the Kent, Extel's finest Upper East Side building that has a 20-year tax abatement. Let's head up to apartment 8C and check it out. One thing the developers nailed here is this floor plan. Welcome into the great room. You have 2 quadrants for seating here, floor-to-ceiling windows, over 10-foot ceilings. Look at this open kitchen, these custom cabinets up top with glass, a full Miele appliance package, and look at this gorgeous imported black stone. This primary suite is an oasis. Huge bathroom here with Bianco Dolomiti marble everywhere, on the floors, on the walls, in the shower. A really large walk-in closet here, and look at this king-size bed, room for a fainting couch, the floor-to-ceiling windows, just a beautiful primary suite. The second bedroom is currently being used as an office, but in the blink of an eye, bedroom number 2, Murphy bed. The third bedroom faces south here, has a pass-through bathroom and a great closet. Let's roll through these amazing amenities, because there's a lot of them. One of the best gyms in New York City. Infrared sauna. 55-foot lap pool. One of the most awesome playgrounds you'll see in New York City. The Lenny Kravitz designed Sound Lounge. Welcome to Camp Kent, an awesome playroom. Oh, I got one in. The Grand Salon, billiards, bar, TV. This is right off the lobby. It's the drawing room, and there's a bar in here. Thanks so much for joining me for this tour of 8C at the Kent. Don't forget about that 20-year tax abatement. Come check out this apartment. The amenities are unrivaled. You are going to love living here.